Yeah. So, for y'all's information, if you buy one of these Milwaukees, when you put that tube of grease in there, you just got grease all over you, all over your arm. You put that tube of grease in there, if that, this end of it, if you can see how the inside of that grease hasn't been touched. That means that plunger isn't going inside of it. That's the problem with this crap. Is because that plunger has to go inside of that tube in order. Oh! Stay back, stay back. In order for it to work right. And if it doesn't, it'll just get, and it won't work. You can sit there and run it 500,999 trillion billion years, and it won't work. You'll just sit there and waste your day away. You'll waste your time, and you'll waste grease, and so on and so on. So you have to make sure. In fact, when I order these, I think I'm ordering a plastic cartridge, and then they send me the cardboard cartridge. The cardboard cartridges never work in this. And that's part of the problem. So, because I thought I was ordering the plastic cartridge. See, the plastic cartridge doesn't get boogered up like the paper ones. And so if you do get one of these, you want to make sure you get the plastic cartridges. I thought about actually just not putting a cartridge in it at all, and just pumping, just take this and stick it down in some grease and pull it up. It would suck the grease up inside of it. I believe that would work better than a cartridge. But anyway, if you do get one of these and it doesn't work, it's because the cartridge, that plunger isn't going down in the cartridge. So you can, I've had this thing apart, I've examined it, I couldn't figure out what the heck was going on. Now, I spent $300, they ripped me off pretty good. I spent $300 for this freaking thing. Yeah, because I really wanted it. And the guy saw me coming, so he got me for 300 bucks. And so I've had this thing apart trying to figure out why isn't it pumping grease? Why isn't it pumping grease? Spend all that money and freaking sit up under a truck, and that's when it messes up. It doesn't mess up when you're out here, when you're under there, you know, expecting it to help you. That's the whole reason why you buy it. It's because it makes life easier to hold one button, hold it up on there and grease it. But then it doesn't pump, and you're fighting with it and fighting with it. Next thing you know, you got grease everywhere. A whole tube of grease is gone. Battery is gone. Well, the problem is that this plunger, you have to get it to go inside. You feel it right there. See how it's hanging up? It's not wanting to go in there.
Whoa!
That's how you get it to go in. See what I just did? I pushed on it and got it to where it was driving in, and you push this right here and it relieves that air, and you can see that it's. Now if I push it, you don't stand there, you just got shot at once. Obviously you're a hard learner, so you push in on it and push on that vent. That's a vent.
Oh, I see it pumping out like blue snot.
Yeah, well, see, that's how you know that it's in there. So
yeah, I see that blue snot.
But this thing is very wasteful, and I believe if I just got a 5-gallon bucket of grease and just stuck that down there and pulled the grease up, I would have a whole lot less trouble than putting them cartridges in there. I don't know where the rest of the grease went. And it's because the plunger wouldn't go down in there and it got stuck. So.
And there's nothing you can do about that?
No, I just have to use this grease whenever I need it. Stick my hand down there and squeeze it, or squeeze that and whatever. So, but again, I'm thinking that it'd be better just to buy a 5-gallon bucket of grease and not use the cartridge at all, because I fight with it more than anything. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Richie's giving me the finger. Have a wonderful day, wherever you are. Have lots of fun with your Milwaukee grease gun, and have a wife standing in front of it when you're exampling it and get grease all over her. Or don't. God bless. And later.